Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to enable portable hotspot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you should go to the mobile network, then go to the personal hotspot. So here you can enable it. Here will be displayed the QR code to instantly connect to your hotspot. You can also change its name here, you can change its password, you can add devices to block list. In more, you can also set up mobile hotspot turn off timer, and you can also use it for Bluetooth tethering. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.